Question 1. The gas that could be collected by both downward delivery and over water is A. Sulfur 4 oxide, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Hydrogen chloride. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. Explanation: not all gases play nice with water. Some dissolve and disappear, but oxygen is slightly heavier than air, so it sinks and barely soluble in water. That is why it works with both collection methods. Question 2. Ammonia gas could be produced when solid ammonium chloride is heated with A. Magnesium nitrate, B. Calcium sulfate, C. Hydrogen chloride, D. Calcium hydroxide. The correct answer is D. Calcium hydroxide. Explanation: ammonia is hiding inside ammonium chloride. So when you heat it with a strong base like calcium hydroxide, the base kicks the ammonia out. Then boom, you see the ammonia gas coming out. So the trick is that the base kicks out base. Calcium hydroxide is a base, it kicks out ammonia, which is also a base. Question 3. The difference between molar mass and relative molecular mass is that relative molecular mass A is calculated for mass of isotope, while molar mass is determined by spectrometry. B is measured in mole per dm cubed, while molar mass is measured in grams per mole. C has no units, while molar mass is measured in grams per mole. D measures the mass of an atom, while molar mass measures the mass of molecules and compounds. The correct answer is C. Relative molecular mass has no units, while molar mass is measured in grams per mole. Explanation: here is the key difference, okay? Molar mass is a physical quantity with units, and the unit is grams per mole. Relative molecular mass is just a comparison. It's just a number. It doesn't have any units attached to it. So one thing to remember is that relative means no unit. Molar has a unit, which is grams per mole. Question 4. Isomers have different A. Molar mass, B. Molecular formulae, C. Structural formulae, D. Empirical formulae. The correct answer is C. Structural formulae. Explanation: think of isomers like twins with different hairstyles, okay? They have the same DNA. So in chemistry, isomers have the same molecular formula, but their atoms are connected differently. That is why their structural formulae are different. Question 5. How many atoms of elements are there in the compound open parenthesis, NH4 close parenthesis 2, Fe open parenthesis, SO4 close parenthesis 2, 6H2O. A 38, B 39, C 41, D 40. The correct answer is B 39. Explanation: this might look scary, but the question is just asking for counting, so we are going to count it piece by piece. Okay, so we have NH42 FeSO42.6H2O. Let's start with NH42. This will give you 2 nitrogen atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. 4 times 2 gives you 8. Let's go to Fe. We have 1 atom of iron. For SO4 2, we have 2 sulfur atoms and 8 oxygen atoms. 4 times 2 gives you 8. Now let's move on to water. For 6H2O, we have 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. So let's add them together. 2 plus 8 gives you 10, plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 gives you 10. 12 plus 6 gives you 18. So if we add everything together, 1 plus 8 gives you 9. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 3. There you have it, 39 atoms.